district. The Ribhoi District Sports Association organised a felicitation ceremony for the achievers who represented Ribhoi District in the recently held 5th Meghalaya Games 2024 and Khelo India Youth Games 2024. Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdor, Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare, who graced the occasion as the chief guest, urged the youth to work harder so that they bring more laurels to the state. The ceremony was also attended by Rosemary Lingdor and Margaret Pathau, who have brought laurels to the district and the state.
Generation to me, the generation ka ba bakli, ka ba kitli, what is not shibon. Baka ni kajing yan ti ka jonga, mayoru bantit, baka talent for sporting events, haka ni ka district, kalong very promising. Nakantung yaki kami kipa, bapin ay, yaka attention, yaki kungkikti, aba PUE, yaka taka talent. Haka por jungi, imay pa kimsya yung ibang lakay sport. A waste of time kyo. Nobody appreciated. Ni siya lakay sports, ni siya lakay kamyot ko ayin. Mangiting yo sa may pa. Ka-focus yung kika suong ba? We want you to be an academician.
And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded